Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon a bit to the judges and teachers. My name is Muhammad Uqbah bin Akmal Hisham. I'm 15 years old from Sekolah Menengah Tafiz Akuan Cendera and my school code is MFT 1003. Today, I'm going to talk about a classic piece of literature that has touched the hearts of many readers for generations. The book I'm presenting is Black Beauty by Anna Sewell. Anna Sewell, an English author, wrote Black Beauty in 1877. She is best known for this novel, which became one of the best-selling books of all time. She was deeply passionate about animal welfare, and she wrote Black Beauty not just as a story, but as a plea for the human treatment of horses and other animals. Black Beauty is presented from the perspective of the horse himself. The story follows the life of Black Beauty, a horse who experienced both kindness and cruelty at the hands of different owners. I see his journey from a young, carefree colt on a country estate to an older, experienced horse working in various urban settings. Through his eyes, I learn about the harsh realities faced by horses in Victorian England. In my opinion, Black Beauty is a pivotal book, especially in the context of its time. It was groundbreaking for its portrayal of horses for being capable of feeling and suffering, which was not widely acknowledged back then. The novel message about the treatment towards animals resonated strongly and helped raise awareness of animal welfare issues. It gave a voice to those who couldn't speak for themselves, and this idea was ahead of its time. Black Beauty uses a narrative style that is realistic and empathetic because it is written in the first person of view. This means that readers see the world through the eyes of a horse, which provide them with a unique and emotional perspective. In this way, Sewell succeeds in evoking empathy from the reader towards animals that might not have been fully understood before. The novel has many strengths that make it one of the most beloved classic literary works. One of the greatest strengths is its ability to raise awareness about the treatment towards animals, particularly horses. This book opened many people's eyes to the abuse and exploitation of animals, a topic that wasn't widely discussed in the 19th century. Sewell successfully conveys the message of the importance of showing compassion towards animals through an emotionally engaging narrative. The simple and accessible writing style make the book enjoyable for every strata of society. Even though Black Beauty was written over 140 years ago, its themes remain highly relevant today. Animal rights and human treatment continue to be major issues in our society. The book encourages readers to reflect on how we treat the creatures we share the world with and how we can make the world a more compassionate place. In conclusion, Black Beauty is not just a book about a horse. It is a timeless reminder of the power of kindness and the responsibility we have towards all living beings. One thing for sure, both human and animal have the right to be treated equally. Let's make the world a more harmonious place to live in. So, if you haven't read it yet, I highly recommend you to do so. That is all from me. Thank you.